Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the reading of chapter number 5, How Birds Live. Birds are interesting animals. They live in all parts of the world. There are about 9,000 kinds of birds on earth. They are the only animals with feathers which help to keep them warm and dry. All birds lay eggs. Look in this picture. These are the feathers of birds which help to keep them warm and dry. So the first characteristic feature of birds is flying. Most of the birds can fly with the help of wings. Look in this picture. These are the wings of birds. Most of the birds have light bodies. Their bones are also very light and hollow. Their bodies are shaped like an aeroplane. You can see here their bodies are shaped like an aeroplane. Birds have strong arm and chest muscles. These muscles help them to move their wings. Next is feathers. A bird's body can contain more than 10,000 feathers. These are of three kinds. The first type is down feather. Down feathers are fluffy. They keep the body warm. The second type is body feather. Body feathers cover the body and give a shape to it. And the third type is flight feather. Flight feathers are strong. Tail and these feathers help the bird to fly. Look here, there are some birds such as the ostrich and the kiwi that cannot fly because their body weight is so heavy. Look here, this is a picture of penguin. Penguins cannot fly like other birds. They use their wings as flippers and swim underwater. The next topic is nesting habits. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. Look in this picture, birds lay eggs with hard shells. They build nests when they have to lay eggs. They are mostly made in high up of trees. But some birds build nests on the ground also. Here is some examples of birds' nests. A tailor bird saws leaves to make its nest. Saws mean sew up or join. You can see here a tailor bird saw leaves to make its nest. Next example is partridge. A partridge make its nest on the ground. A woodpecker cuts a hole in a tree trunk with its beak. When the nest is ready, the female lay eggs in it. The male or female sit on the eggs to keep them warm. When the eggs hatch, baby birds came out. Next topic is beak. Beak means jaws of birds. Like all animals, birds need food to stay alive. Some birds eat only fresh meat while others eat only plant material as seeds, grains and fruits. Look in this picture. Birds do not have teeth. They have claws and beaks which are suitable for their eating habits. Flesh-eating birds have strong, sharp beaks shaped like hook. You can see in the picture their shapes like hook. It helps them to tear the flesh of other animals. For example, a parrot eats seed, nuts and fruits. It has strong curved beak. You can see in the picture strong curved beak which it uses to crack nuts and seed. Next is woodpecker. Woodpecker have long sharp beaks which help them to tap the bark of trees and pull out insects. A duck has a broad, flat beak with holes on its side. You can see this one is its hole on its sides. It takes muddy water in its beak. Next example is kingfisher and the pelican have long scissor-like beak for catching small fish. Topic is feet and claws. Birds have 4 toes on each feet. Look in this picture. Birds have 4 toes on each feet. Besides catching and holding food, birds use their toes in a number of other ways. Flesh eating birds have strong, sharp claws called talons. Claws mean nails, and talons mean sharp claws of an animal. Birds like crow perch on tree branches and even sleep while perching. Their feet are shaped to hold on the branches. Swimming birds such as ducks have webbed feet. You can see in the picture this one is its webbed feet that help them to swim. And the next example is crane. Birds like cranes have long legs. You can see in the picture long legs for wading in water.